Hey neighbor, happy day. Carla with First Team Real Estate, providing luxury service with the touch of a good neighbor. I'm taking you inside of Orange County's best properties, the deals, the luxury, the estates, the grounds, homes with magnificent details. Wait until I show you this one. Come inside. Working from home will take a whole new meaning with this property. I can see out to the pool, the decks, and the treetops. Plus, the AC is cranking in here. This is perfect for me to practice my calligraphy. This is actually a light board, or if you're married to an architect, I mean, people need to work. Plus, there's a wine cellar right behind me and shelves galore. This is my new favorite room. It's like a she cabin, a she chalet, but it's in the basement. A home may be his castle, but it's also a woman's retreat. Not only does this property have a walk-in closet, but we've got a Romeo balcony. Every woman needs a Romeo balcony. Romeo, Romeo. Who needs to go to Pure Barre when you have your own workout studio here? I can invite all my girlfriends over and the instructor to teach us privately. How fabulous is that? This is perfect. Watching my tennis partner warm up or picking my outfit of the day. Either way, I know the temperature outside and what my competition's doing. And 40 love! With the Tennis Pro on dial, you can do bar, tennis, swim, everything. This is life in Orange County with the best of friends. Also, your neighbor and realtor, Carla with the keys. Happy day.